Hello, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Binance account to your PayPal account. Now it's a very easy process, so what you have to do is just simply open your browser where you have your Binance account, then open your Binance account. Make sure that you have USDT in your account. If you don't have that, just simply swap whatever crypto you want to sell in order to get the funds into USDT. So just simply do that. For doing that, you can just simply go to the transfer section. So click on asset, click on overview. Then go to the trade and convert block right over here. And then let's say if you have any other crypto, like for example, Solana, choose that option and make sure to convert that to USDT right over here. And just click on preview conversion and complete the transaction. Once your crypto is converted into USDT, make sure that it is in funding wallet. As you can see, mine is currently in funding wallet. In order to switch it to your funding wallet, you have to click on transfer. And if it is in fiat and spot, just simply choose that and choose funding at the bottom option. Then enter the coin and amount and click on confirm. And that will switch your crypto from spot wallet to funding wallet. Now, once your crypto is in funding wallet, go to trade, go to P2P. Then click on sell. And right over here, you will have a lot of advertisers. So just simply choose any one of them, which is giving you the best results. As you can see, the price will vary depending on the advertiser. Now you can also see most of them are verified by the platform itself, so you can trust them. And some of them are even better than the normal advertisers, and they will be marked with a different type of symbols. Now, all the merchants will have different type of payment options available for them. As you can see, you will have a lot of them. So just simply search for the one that you're looking for, which is going to be PayPal in this case. Just simply check who is providing the PayPal and choose that. Like for example, this particular advertiser is allowing you to get the money using Google Pay. And in your case, in your region, the advertisers will be different. So they will also allow PayPal. Just simply choose one of those and click on sell USDT. Now enter the amount right over here. You'll be able to see how much you will be getting down below. Then choose your Google Pay option or PayPal option. You will have those options right over here. So choose that option and then just simply link your PayPal account. And after that, just simply complete the transaction by clicking on sell USDT right over here. Once you will do that, within 5 minutes or depending on the minute that will be shown to you right over here in the screen, you should receive your funds into your PayPal account. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.